Hey y'all, welcome back. Crazy Pop here, and today, we're on kind of on this Mexican kick. We did some salsa con queso sliders last week. Well, this week we're doing some jalapeno popper quesadillas. These ain't gonna be your ordinary poppers, quesadillas put together. We're gonna add a few little extra ingredients into it to really take this over the top. Now, I seen CJ do these a few months back on the Blackstone channel. And man, I tell you what, I had to try them. And I tried them. But I'm like, I need to put my little spin on this, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Nothing wrong with yours, CJ. They were awesome. But we're gonna try to step up the game just a little bit. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add chorizo to it and some queso. That's right, and some queso. So stick around so you can see exactly how we're gonna do all this magic. But while you're here, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. We really would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, ring that bell, get all that stuff done. If you have been here, thank you so much. Man, we've been having such a great time here. We're growing so fast, and we are really loving it. We are having such a great time doing this, and thank you for showing your support to us. We really do appreciate that. Also, while you're down there, real quick, got to get this business out of the way. Check it out. We got a Facebook, we got a Twitter, we got an Instagram, we got a Pinterest, we have an email, we even have a P.O. box in case you want to send us something. Hint, hint. Nah, just kidding. Anyhow, y'all check all that stuff out. We got to get this grill lit, show you some groceries. Let's do that. Now, before we show you all them fine groceries, we got to light the grill. Griddle. Not a grill, it's a griddle. Anyhow, as my normal, I like to keep one side off to kind of slide things over if I'm not doing a real big cook. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to low on these 3 burners. There you go. Y'all check out these fine groceries we fixed to make up some good stuff here, boy. Of course, you can't make a quesadilla without tortillas. We have some 10-inch quesadillas. We're going to make some big ones today. We got some jalapenos we've already diced up. Now, these are fresh jalapenos we have diced up. Got some bacon we're gonna fry and we're gonna chop that up. Of course, we got the cheese and some cream cheese, to kind of make our popper mixture. Here's where the magic's gonna start happening, y'all. We're gonna cook some chorizo today. Now, if you've never tried chorizo, you really need to get your hands on some of this. Put it in eggs, put it in your poppers, put it on quesadillas, put it on everything. Put it on a hot dog, I don't care. It's good stuff. And we have some medium salsa con queso dip that we're gonna add to all this, and man, these things are gonna be right. Okay, y'all, the griddle is ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and throw the bacon on there and our chorizo on there. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. It's chorizo. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I say. So let's get our bacon on there. Now all we're gonna do with this bacon is just get it fried up, good and crispy. Normally, I don't like a real crispy bacon, but I'm using this to kind of break up and put in the mix, so that's what we're gonna do. Get that going. Get our chorizo going. Just kind of break it up. Man, I tell you what, this right here is some good stuff. All right, we're gonna let this cook, let that bacon crisp up, let that chorizo cook. Now, one thing you want to do is make sure your cream cheese is set out for a while, because if not, it's gonna be really hard to work with. So that's what it's doing over there. It's kind of chilling out. Well, not really chilling out, we want it to warm up. So anyhow, it's getting warmer where it's more pliable and easier to work with. So don't take your cream cheese straight out the refrigerator and try to work with it. Ain't happening. Okay, let's give our bacon a flip. They work. Oh yeah. Now, the reason I'm cooking everything on low, come on, you. Sometimes bacon just don't want to work with you. Is I want everything to kind of just render down, cook down. Because here in just a minute, I'm gonna throw these jalapenos on here. These right here. Kind of all in this mixture right here. Get them good and seasoned up. Keep your chorizo all flipped around. Now, remember I said about the cream cheese? This will really help the cream cheese kind of soften up once all this hot stuff hits it. Okay, bacon's done to where we kind of want it, and the chorizo's done. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide everything over here to stay warm for right now. Slide it over here, slide the bacon over. We're gonna get the jalapenos on here. Just kind of roast them just a little bit. Kind of soften them up, that's all we're looking for. Mix them all up in these good old juices we have on the grill. Man, this griddle top got this chorizo on it. It's got this bacon grease. Now the jalapenos are cooking in it. Yeah, buddy. That's the way you cook on a griddle, right there. All right, y'all. You know what? I think they're done. Look at that. Got a good little char, a little roast on them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide these over here too. Now what we gotta do is get it all mixed together in that cream cheese and get ready to fill us some tortillas. So let's get that done. Let's add some jalapenos up in this thing. Add some chorizo up in here. Crumble up some bacon. Kind of break it up however big pieces you want in here. Man. Now the good thing about this recipe is as simple as this. You want more bacon, you add more bacon. You want more chorizo, more peppers, more whatever. Now me personally, I want a lot of everything. Probably need to add another block of cream cheese in here, but you know, we'll go with what we got. All right, once you got as much as you want in there, and I do have more over here if I need it, but I'm gonna mix up what I have, kind of see what we have, see where it goes with it. Y'all, I forgot to add one thing. I forgot to add my cheese in here. So we're gonna add that Fiesta cheese into our mixture here. You know, I'm always forgetting something. But I didn't have to do the walk of shame to go get it. That's the plus. That's a plus. Y'all, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna say that's ready to go on the tortilla. To make some quesadillas. Now, as far as what's left over here, I'm gonna mix up some more later on for the crazy kids, and I got something to take to work too, so. Okay, for right now, we're going with just 2 tortillas on here. Put some of this filling in here. Oh, buddy. Now remember, the griddle is still on low. We're not trying to roast anything here. I think this one needs a little more filling. What y'all think? Oh boy. Spread it out, get nice and spread and good, and oh yeah. There we go. Oh, thought I was gonna flip it, didn't you? Got a surprise. You remember our queso? Yep. Now see, I didn't heat this queso up. There's a reason why. Oh yeah, there we go. Y'all, I'm really hoping this turns out good because we haven't tried this. You're actually seeing our first attempt at this. Flip that over. Hope y'all can see that. Flip that over. Yeah, show you this close up. Y'all, look at that queso coming out. Look, look, look. Dude. Okay, the queso's starting to come out, so I know it's good and hot now. Let's take them up. Plate them up here. We're gonna cut them up here in a minute and we're gonna try these things. So man, these things are really just looking good. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, buddy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up into, you know, handling, something we can handle so that big quesadillas. I got a feeling cheese is probably fixing to run everywhere. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's cut one open and find out. Y'all check out what I done found. I have the new Blackstone knife. Shing! It's plastic, it don't make the sound. But it'd be cool if it did. Y'all check that out. Let's try this thing. Try this new knife out. Oh yeah, buddy. That cheese going everywhere, y'all. Y'all, me just cutting it. Okay, y'all, I don't know if you can tell through this video, but I'm really, really excited to try these. Took CJ's idea and we put our little spin on it. Made a mess look like what we did, but it's gonna be a beautiful mess. So we got to try this thing out. So I'm gonna grab this little piece right here on the end. Oh yeah. I love jalapeno peppers. I love jalapeno poppers. I love them. But man, you make that chorizo in there and put that salsa con queso on there. Yeah, buddy. Now, as you see, it can make a mess. But sometimes a mess is a beautiful thing. Just sometimes it is. So anyhow, I got to cook some more of these because I got an order already to be placed for these. So if you try this out, please let us know. We would love to know. If you like this video, please share it out. We would love for this to get, you know, people to see this. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't, like I said, hit that thumbs down twice. Let me know you really hated it. Get everything done. Please hit that subscribe button. Please continue watching our videos. We love it, and we'll see you next time.